My channel. My name is Ayana Alicia. On this channel, we do like to talk all things Locs, lifestyle, family, and mental health. So if that is something that interests you guys, go ahead and hit the notification bell so that you are made aware of new posts and videos. And leave me a thumbs up and a comment. So it has been a little minute since I have updated you guys on my locs. I am currently 1 year and 10 months locked, and then with my undercut, I am 3 months and 3 weeks locked. So before I get started on just a little tutorial of my hair, I did go ahead and wash my hair today. Today was wash day for me. I did do a retwist on my hair about 3 or 4 weeks ago. And another change is that I did dye my hair a reddish burgundy color, but it didn't really take all over because I had got my hair black at one point, but this little section did take better than the rest, and that was because this little section right here, I had that blonde for a couple of months, so that part is a little bit lighter. Another update with my hair is on my undercut. I'm gonna turn around and show you guys, but I did add some lock extensions to there. I did use quote unquote human hair, but this particular human hair that I did buy, it didn't really dye the color that I wanted to. Like, I tried to dye it to see if it would do anything, but it didn't really. I mean, it gave like a little tint, but nothing much. So I don't know if I'm going to actually keep these extensions in or not, but they actually held up this time around, so I'm going to turn around and show you guys what they look like. Alright, so I hope you guys could see what they did look like. So the extensions are a little bit bigger as far as my parting goes, but I'm not really too concerned about it because, like I said, I don't know if I'm actually going to keep those extensions in or not, or if I'm going to take them out. But we will see. So today I am just going to be doing, I want to have some crinkly braids, but I don't want to do like a braid out to the scalp, because yeah, I just don't want to. So again, this is freshly washed hair. And I'm going to spray the argan oil. Leave-in strength conditioner on your face.
What do you want to do? It's your mommy just the hair. Yeah, that's what she's doing for her YouTube video. Show her, mommy.
Brings with it. 30 hertz straight up. 30 hertz straight up. Brings me to 30 hertz straight up. Brings me to 30 hertz straight up. Brings me to 30 hertz straight up. Brings me that.